Hi everyone!
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we have something very special for everyone. So this weekend is Easter weekend, and what are we making, guys?
We're making Easter cookies.
Woohoo! So we're gonna make some Easter cookies. Now before we get started, I will let you guys know this is not my recipe. I will add the link below if you wanna go directly into the website and to see the recipe. Don't put that in your mouth, baby. So before we start, I'm gonna go over all the ingredients that we will use. Azaria is showing the confetti cake mix we will be using. Darius, can you show us what's in here?
It's like white chocolate.
White chocolate chips. And then here, what do we have, Azaria?
And eggs.
We have mini eggs. So Easter colored mini eggs. We will also be using 1 egg. And we will also be using olive oil. And last but not least, what are these, guys?
These are sprinkles.
Sprinkles. And Azaria, are you eating a chocolate? Okay, so let's be fair and let's Darius have a chocolate as well. Okay, no more
Thank
eating
you.
the chocolate, baby. We need them, okay? So next step is we're gonna start off with step 1, which is going to be to mix, stop eating the chocolate, Azaria, is going to be to mix the cake mix and the egg and the oil. So stay tuned, we're gonna do the next step, everyone. Okay, welcome back. So here we are with our first step. I'm going to ask Darius to please put half of this bag in the bowl, please.
And all of it? or
Half.
Half?
Yeah, so Azaria could put the other half. Now guys, this is a great way to get your kids included and to get them introduced to baking with you in the kitchen. This was actually Darius's idea, so again, a great fun activity to do with the kids. And honestly, this doesn't take more than 25 minutes. So, okay, baby, be careful. Empty the bag. Be careful, don't touch with your hands. Good job. Okay, guys, great work. So now the next step, hold on, baby. I'm going to crack an egg in here. We're gonna move this.
Yeah.
So 1 egg, and sorry, I forgot to mention, we already used half of the box. So if you're gonna do the full box, you're going to need 2 eggs. So again, the recipe will be on the link below. So if you wanna see the full recipe, we are doing half of the recipe right now, okay? I just wanted to specify. Okay, Chuch, hold this, please.
Okay.
Over here. So because we're doing half of the recipe, we're gonna do 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you can use cooking oil. Unfortunately, I do not own that. So we're using olive oil. Okay, put it in. 1. Okay, hold it. I'll do 2 of them. Don't touch, please. Wait, okay. 2. 3. Okay, Darius, you wanna hold? Okay, thank you. Okay, pour it in. 4, and last 5. Okay, you could put the spoon in the sink. Thank you, buddy. Wait, not yet, honey.
Okay.
Okay, so the next step, so now we have the dried cake mix. We have 1 egg and 5 teaspoons of the oil. We're gonna go behind over there. I'm gonna bring you guys with us, and we're gonna use the mixer to blend this all together. Ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So here we go. We're gonna mix everything together. I am using my mixer.
And I want to do it.
No, you're gonna watch this. So we mix everything together for about 1 minute, and it's gonna make like a thick mixture, like a cookie dough.
Well,
Does it look good, guys?
yeah. I'm going to do my bag.
Look how everything's coming together. Doesn't that look cool?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to busy one. Get busy.
Okay, I think we're done.
Good.
So now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
Yay.
And now we're just gonna take off the excess, and then we will do the 3rd step. So see you guys soon. Welcome back. So now we're doing the 3rd step, which will include adding both of the types of chocolate. You're not eating no more.
Okay.
Both of the types of chocolate, and we're also going to add the sprinkles.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take
I'll
turns.
hold it.
We're gonna take turns. I'm gonna give some to you, honey. Okay, you can put them inside. More. So make sure to keep some left over at the end because we're gonna add them directly into them before we put them in the oven. Darius, you can add these ones. So I left some in the bowl so we can add them after. Okay, now go ahead, buddy. Put them in. Wait, please. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. We're gonna mix it after. Don't worry. So now we're gonna do the white chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate chips if you prefer. Put them in here, please. Good job. Let mommy bring the bowl closer. Good job. Okay, more. Go ahead. Good job. One more. Awesome. Okay, Darius' turn. Here you go, buddy.
So hard.
Mama, I'm not sure did.
Actually, we'll leave some for after. Okay, perfect. Put them all in. Excellent. And now we're gonna put some sprinkles. I'm gonna give some to you here. Please put it in here, Mama. No, not in your hands. Okay, awesome. Good job. And then you now. Bye, buddy. Here you go. Awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna show you all what it looks like right now. Perfect. And now we're gonna mix it.
Me too.
No, baby. This is hard because it's really sticky. So now you just gotta make sure that you mix them all nice together. Wait, mommy, we're gonna put them on the tray after, okay? Okay, so the fourth step is gonna include, you could always use a regular spoon as well, but you're gonna make sure that the cookies are about 2 inches apart from each other. So first one. Someone's excited. Second one. Careful.
Okay. Wait, put this right there.
Yeah, and then you guys are gonna add the rest of the chocolates on it,
Yeah,
okay?
and I want to put this one in, and I want to put this one too.
Exactly.
So, and I want to put there, and then they have it.
Yes, you and Darius are gonna put the chocolates in there, okay?
Yeah,
You guys are gonna take turns.
but
Do you mind putting this in the sink for me, please, buddy? Thank you so much. You guys are doing a great job. This is Darius's first YouTube video
Me
with us.
too.
and He's doing a great job.
Me too. Me too, mommy.
Okay, there we go.
You're doing a good job.
All right, guys. So now we will be adding the rest of, hold on, the little mini eggs. You just push them inside the batter before we put them in the oven. Come closer, buddy. Okay, here, these ones are for you.
Should I grab these some of
Sure,
these?
you can go ahead and do that. That's a good idea.
Is this good or more?
Just put like a couple in it. We're not gonna use all of this, just so you know.
I
Yeah,
got
I
pepper.
understand.
And
Okay.
I got blue.
Perfect. I'm gonna give you some over here too, so you can add these.
It's stinky. My hand's sticky.
Your hands are sticky?
Mommy, you put this in the machine. I do it. It's good.
You don't gotta push too much, buddy. Okay, yeah. You can put the spoon there.
Ah,
Okay, Church.
for sure.
Careful.
I'll put it the rest of mine, but I can't reach it. Ah,
All right. Okay, but you could put these ones in here. That's enough, because Darius is gonna add his. I'll take a couple back, because there's a lot already. Okay, Azaria, you wanna add some of these?
yeah. Sure. And I want to eat another one.
Just one.
I got one.
Okay, you guys are doing a great job.
The Japanese one was
They're gonna be so good.
yeah.
Are you guys excited to eat them?
Yep.
Okay. think that's
I
enough
want
for
to
you.
have one.
Okay, so let me show you all what it looks like right now. Voila.
Voila.
And what we do is we're gonna put them in the oven. The oven is already preheating at 350 Fahrenheit, and they stay in between 8 to 10 minutes. I actually put the other ones about almost 12 minutes. So it all depends on your oven.
Mommy.
Just a little bit. It all depends on your oven and how hot it gets. So just keep an eye on it. But 350 Fahrenheit, okay? So we'll come back once these bad boys are ready, and then we will show you guys what we made. All right, guys, we're back for the final product. So here are our Easter cookies. Very simple, very easy. Took a total of 20 minutes to make. And now we are going to do the taste test. You guys want to taste it?
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, go ahead, pick one. Okay, pick one. Okay, go ahead. Is it good? Tell everyone, how does it taste?
Good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it lots of chocolate inside? Yeah? Okay guys, well thank you very much for tuning in to another one of my YouTube channels. I look forward to you guys commenting, sharing. Please subscribe below if you haven't subscribed yet. This is a fun way to do a baking activity with your kids or just for yourself as well. Now, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I absolutely love them. And stay tuned for the next video that I will be making this week. So wishing you all a happy Easter. You guys gonna say happy Easter?
Happy sister.
Happy Easter. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.